first call for today. Customer that had a new granite countertop put in, a new sink, undermounted sink. And our job today is to install a new faucet, hook up the kitchen sink, and maybe do some shut-off valves. We'll put a couple new basket strings on, redo his drainage, and hook up the dishwasher. And then this call will be. Our first service call is done. Everything went really good. Customers are extremely happy. Our next service call at a dentist's office, and couldn't bring my camera in. I couldn't do anything. They wouldn't let me do any filming anymore, so I couldn't show you guys anything. But it wasn't that big of a deal.
The stores are all closed. With a word she can get what she can.
Home Depot and pick up some bandsaw blades. I got a sewer drain line replacement coming.
Baby, if I think about you.
So I had a repeat customer that called in. I guess he's been having problems with his faucet, so he went out and bought a kitchen faucet. I'm heading over there to install. Concord to go do a water heater. Get her done. Number 8. Damn, I did not want to get up this morning. Boy, I didn't sleep well last night at all. Been up since like 3:30, could not fall back to sleep. It's going to be a little bit of a long day. Got a lot of work to do today, but I'll get it done. This is where I'm working today. We got the new water heater down here. Telling you, getting the old one out and this new one in here was a nutcracker. Got the water heater done. What a nutcracker. Cutting out all that cast iron. Replacing that PVC pipe. This room is nasty. Go upstairs and work on the toilet. Yeah, that was nasty. Look at that stuff. I know what you're thinking. Someone's got to do it.